Hello guys, today I will tell you about civil engineering. Before I tell you about civil engineering, let me introduce myself. Good morning ma'am and good morning to all of you. Today I will introduce myself. My full name is Daniel Adi Bermadi. My nickname is Daniel. I am 18 years old. I was born on 26 May 2002. My hobby is badminton. I live in Semarang to be precise in Blok Pembelian 35B. Before studying at Unika Sudija Pranata University, I study at 15 Senior High School Semarang. That's a letter from me. Thank you. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a field of science that studies planning, manufacturing, management, and conservation of various facilities and systems to support a city, rural, and urban area. The term in civil engineering include structure, is a science that studies the structural problems of the materials used for construction. Several sources of building materials include steel, concrete, wood, glass, or other materials. In this field, things related to the planning of building structure, roads, bridges, and tunnels are studied, from foundation construction to ready-to-use building. Geotechnique, science that study the structure and properties of various kinds of soil in supporting a building that will stand on it. The scope can be in the form of field investigation, which are investigation of the soil condition of an area and are strengthened by laboratory investigation. Hydrology and environment, science that studies water and the natural environment, its control and problem. Cover this field, among other, the branch of water hydrology with regard to weather, rainfall, water discharge of a river. Hydraulics, water material properties, water pressure, water pushing force, and water structures such as port, dam, irrigation, reservoirs, dams, canals to sanitation technique. Transportation, the study of transportation system in planning and implementation. Cover these areas including road construction and management, airport construction, terminal, station, and their management. Construction management, since the studies problem in construction project relate to the economy, work scheduling, return on capital, project costs, and all matters related to building law and licensing to organizing work in the field so that the building is expected to be complete on time. Civil engineering informatics, a new science that studies the application of computer technology to the computation and modeling of a system in a building research or building project. Cover this field, among others, in the form of building structure modeling, structural and material or chart modeling of groundwater or waste movement, environmental modeling which is geographic information system technology. Why I choose civil engineering? Because many in my family also work in civil engineering. With me having this relationship for sure in the future I will definitely be offered to work with uncle or cousin and especially make a lot of money. The prospect of civil engineering. The prospect of civil engineering. The job prospect for civil engineering graduates are very bright. Consider that Indonesia is a developed country that is aggressively carrying out infrastructure development. So, civil engineering graduates are much needed in the development sector such as contractor. You can also work as a consultant. That's all from me. If you have any question, you can ask to be my personal chat via WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Thank you.